Good morning, everyone. I'm back with another video breakdown of my Python practice coding question. This question is from Data in Motion's Week 7 coding challenge. So let's go ahead and get started. The instruction says create a function that takes a list of dictionaries and returns the sum of people's budgets. And as you can see, it do give us some case examples here, and it shows us what they should return. So let's go ahead and get started on the logic itself. As you can see, I already created my get budgets function here, and I put the parameter as a list because that is what it will be passed in, a list of dictionaries. And then from there, I created my main where I copy and pasted the test cases they provided so we can go ahead and make sure our code is working correctly. And that's about it for now. So let's go ahead and get to the solution. So I'll remove this pass here, and as it's stated, it's taking a list of dictionaries. So if you look in the test cases, you can see that it's 3 different individual dictionaries inside of one list for each example. So what we want to do is we want to keep a variable that will keep the count of the sum as we go through each dictionary and grab the budget. So let's go ahead and set our sum to equal to 0. So we'll just say R underscore sum is equal to 0, and that'll keep the sum as we go through and collect that data. And then we want to go into the list and grab each dictionary. So we'll say for each, we're abbreviate dictionary. So for each dictionary in a list, we want to go through and we want to grab that budget. So what we'll say is we will say sum plus equals, meaning we're going to add something to the sum as we go. We're going to say each dictionary, meaning we're within that dictionary, dot get. And what get will do is it'll get the value of whatever key we feed it. We want to feed it budget. So inside of get, we want to say budget. So we'll make it a string to match the exact key. So we say give us back the value of budget. And that should essentially go through each dictionary in our list, go to the budget key, retrieve that number, and add it to our sum. So now that we're at the bottom, and I have to change this to our sum or it's not going to work. So let's go ahead and correct that name there to our sum. And at the bottom, we're just going to return our sum. So that's pretty much it for this one. Let's go ahead and run it and make sure everything is working correctly. And I think I have an issue here with, no, I think the spacing is off. Let's see. And it was our sum. Okay, so let's go ahead and run it now that I got the indentation working right and see what we get back. And there you have it. We have the correct results. Just make sure your indentation isn't messed up like mine. And voila, there you have it. Let me know how you would have went about solving this problem. Let me know if you have any tips for me. Like and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.